Hello, I'm Christina. I live in Germany and I came here to Tashkent to participate in the summer school. I wanted to be part of the program here in the summer school because I think it's a unique opportunity to be part of the program and also to learn the Uzbek language. Because I think if you know a language when you come to a country, then you have the opportunity to just be closer to people, to make friends, to just experience it a lot differently. I think Uzbekistan is a great country. Everybody I met so far was super friendly.
I'm Maurizio. I decided to learn Uzbek language, first of all because I'm passionate about languages, but also because it was a different language from my language, in general English. Also I know that Uzbek is a language that allowed me also to understand the languages of the countries that are around Uzbekistan.